تعالوا نكتشف المملكة بعيون جديدة. هي ليست فقط رحلة بل تجربة، من الصحراء الواسعة ورمالها، مدن وآثار تروي الحكايا إلى قلب الرياض النابض. متعة اللقاء مع التاريخ والحداثة، كل حاجة تنبسط فيها بهالمكان. درب المملكة، يا كثر أغراضك يا فهد، يلا عجل علينا.
إمام's دوغ شو رمضان يومين 6 مساء قبل الإفطار على MBC 1.
كانت لايف فيديو على MBC 1 رمضان يكون معنا.
Hey guys, welcome to Cat YouTube video على قناة MBC 13. As you know, the other recording finished because of storage, which means now we just have a little videos and we have to download the others before these videos save. And we have to download when there's internet. We don't have internet at the moment. If we go unread, there's one more. Look guys, غيرت unread اللي خلاص no unreads. Or the WhatsApps like this. Spit Summon archive like this. Malouda Khoja's an archive. Maybe. Let's say the Quran group is here. Ala Bukhari. Bima Tariq left. مسارز ملك خوجة هيتم خوجة سيتش هيتم خوجة. That's it today at 5:56 a.m. So man, the internet, he won't be online the whole day. I'm sorry, I don't have internet. I won't work.
حتى شوف ولدك بيلعب جاكارو مع ياسين وصاحبه. وي كيوت، وي كيوت. شوف الجلسة كيف.
تمام. How do we get thumbnail for this video?
اتصل بالكهرباء.
كيف اتصل؟
عندي رقم. قول لهم ما عندنا كهرباء.
And while I'm recording, I'll be shy. And I'm the one who says it or you?
انت.
Okay.
ما تبغى تصير رجال؟
Yeah, I want to. There we go, I have the thumbnail. What's the number? ما نسيت أنا. I don't know anything about كهرباء. Can you give me the number? Should I tell you what is Ibrahim gonna do for the video right now? To call Kahraba, صح? Tell him he's gonna Jidda, focus. Tell him he's gonna call in Kahraba. Can you give me the number? Tell them, the viewers, that he's calling the Kahraba guy عشان يجيب الكهرباء.
صورني؟
No, بس cat.
Yeah, who's gonna call?
The Kahraba.
Yeah, call the Kahraba guy. Tell them we don't have Kahraba. What's the problem?
What's the number?
I think it's my phone.
I will search on Google. Kahraba company. صح؟
مكتوب كهرباء.
كهرباء ايش؟
بس كهرباء.
اكتب انا كهرباء انان؟ كهرباء انان ولا كهرباء محمد كهربائي؟ Which one؟ عبد جدة
كهربائي بس كهرباء.
كهربائي؟ أنا search on جوجل. لا ما عندنا انترنت. كيف يعني اشوف اشيك؟ Is it called STC? No.
لا.
Hold on, I'll use Google. ما يشتغلين يشتغل جوجل لأن ما عندنا إنترنت. company for lights. عندنا إنترنت. بس the website won't work. هنا يشتغل الويب سايت. company for customer service. service. جدا lights. What do we call it? كهرباء.
مو مكتوب قطاع الكهرباء؟
قطاع الكهرباء. كهرباء. هنا لقيت واحد نمبر. شوفي زي ردوا. I'm shy ما أقدر يا جدة.
It's not gonna see you.
Call-
السلام عليكم، ما عندنا كهرباء في حي الزهرة.
Call 055-4534-405466. 54066. Call. Let's try calling this number. ما بيردوا. Do I have to wait and then يتصلوا back? إذا ما يردوا then we try another one. I don't know why they don't answer. I'm angry at them.
Unknown caller.
ألو؟ ألو؟ ما عندنا كهرباء في حي الزهرة.
كهرباء؟
كهرباء في الحي الزهرة.
اي كهرباء؟
كهرباء اللمبات ما تشتغل.
لا ما.
أه؟
انا سمعت اتصالات وين؟
حي الزهرة.
اي اتصالات اتصالات.
إيه؟
انا مهندس اتصالات قدام.
جد إيش يقول؟ إيش يقول؟
إيش قال؟
Doesn't work for الزهرة.
يقول في تصليحات ولا إيش قال؟
ما أعرف إيش قال. I had to end because I don't know that guy. This is Shahid customer care number. We finished the other one. Now this.
غدا شكرا لاتصالك بمركز خدمة العملاء الخاص بشاهد. هلا, thank you for calling Shahid Customer Care. Get 50% off the monthly price when you subscribe to the annual payment plan this Ramadan. Go to MBC Shahid.
MBC
Click on
Shahid, okay.
Get Ramadan offer and choose the package you prefer.
I prefer
Terms
the
and conditions
monthly
apply.
package.
If you are a current Shahid subscriber,
Please
press
click
1.
1.
If you don't have if you subscribe but are unable to locate your active account, please press 1.
1.
To watch sports content, ad, or link your GoBox device, please press 2.
2.
For any other questions,
3.
you can now agree. If your subscription is provided through your service provider and not directly through Shahid, you must contact them to check your eligibility for an upgrade. To upgrade your package using mobile pay, please first log into your active account on your browser. You can then go to your account settings by clicking on My Account on the top right of your web browser page, or the 3-dash icon on the top right of your mobile browser. You will see the available add-ons button that will take you to the page with the add-ons available to you. You can then select one or more add-ons that you prefer. If you want to add GoBox to your package, you must first select the sports package, then select GoBox as an add-on. You will be redirected to a page to add the serial number of your already registered and activated GoBox device. Please also make sure that your GoBox is connected to the internet while you're going through this process. After you click continue, or if you did not select GoBox as an add-on, you will be redirected to the payment page to confirm your mobile number through an OTP and then confirm your payment. Proration occurs based on your service provider's policies. To repeat the steps one more time, please press star. To speak to a customer service advisor, please press 0. Thank you. We will now put you through to one of our customer service advisors who will happily answer all your questions. Please note that this call may be recorded for training and quality purposes.
شاكر اتصالكم بشيشان معك علي كيف أقدر أساعد؟
Hello.
السلام عليكم.
معك إبراهيم.
Welcome to Ibrahim. How can I help you?
When is MBC Shahid gonna put more Ramadan shows?
Excuse me?
When is MBC Shahid gonna put Ramadan shows more?
Well, actually, sir, Ramadan shows are an NBC share right now, and new episode, it will become on schedule.
Yes, I'm following the schedule on both channels.
Excuse me, I can't hear your voice well.
Yes, I'm following both channels.
Excuse me?
I'm following both channels.
You are calling?
I'm saying I'm following both channels on NBC One and Shahid.
Yeah.
And it's nice
The
shows.
NBC One and the live channels are on schedule of their own, not of the AirVod or the content that we have on NBC Shahid app.
I like the content that you have on Shahid.
You want to call them?
No, I'm saying I like the content that you put. Like all the shows that aired this
Yeah,
Ramadan.
thanks.
I like them.
Thanks, Mr. Ibrahim. Mr. Ibrahim, excuse me.
Yes. Bye. Thank
Now,
you for
Mr.
support.
Ibrahim, the issue that you have is that you want to know about the schedule of the content in NBC Shahid, right?
Yes, I want to know. Every day.
Yeah. Well, Mr. Ibrahim, there is an everyday episode from every content. It will appear on NBC Shahid as soon as the content is downloaded on it.
Yes. Thank you for your support, I know.
Can I help you with anything else?
No, خلاص. Ramadan
Thanks for
Mubarak.
calling NBC Shahid. I will transfer the code into the rate system. The highest point is 5. Have a nice day.
Ramadan Mubarak.
Welcome to Shahid's customer care team survey. On a scale from 1 to 5, 1 being the lowest.
So what should I
and
do,
five
the
being
rating?
highest,
1 to
how
5 or
satisfied
5?
were you with the
The
customer care
rating.
advisor who helped you during your call with us today?
5. Good job,
Thank
Kat.
you so much for the valuable feedback. We wish you a great day ahead.
I did it. That's my first call. I wasn't shy.
Yes, you can do it, you know.
Yeah. The other guy, I was shy. Did
Never
it.
shy.
كيف عندك انترنت؟ ما أعرف كيف. This you have regular Wi-Fi. Like cellular data.
ما ردوا الكهرباء.
I don't know, we just have to wait. ما أعرف جد.
اديني اجيب لك الرقم.
ما أعرف الرقم أقول لك.
هو رقم صغير ترى.
إيش هو؟ أنا عندي. أنت قولي لي وأنا أحطه في الكيبة.
انا there.
إيش اسمه؟ I will search for it.
الكهرباء.
كهرباء. أنا عاصم كهربائي. كهربائي أنان ولا محمد كهربائي ولا عبد السلام ولا كهباني رغاية.
دول كهربائيين.
كيف؟
شغيلة.
Then who do I call? I don't know.
احنا نبغى شركة الكهرباء.
I'll search شركة كهرباء في جدة.
اكتب في جوجل
Yeah.
شركة الكهرباء.
شركة كهرباء. شركة الكهرباء. done. موافق. تواصل فن التواصل معنا. 933 is it 933 930 لا 933 هذا النمبر.
ممكن.
أشوف إذا يشتغل.
لو تجيبوا انا
بكم في
أوريك
شركة سعودية للكهرباء. For English, press 2.
Wait, I'll do it again so you can hear.
سعودية للكهرباء. For English, press 2. To report an outage, press 1. For bill information and services, if the service is completely interrupted, press 1. To report a partial interruption of your service, press 2. To report the low, high. Dear customer, please wait while we transfer your call to one of our representatives. To ensure quality of service, this call may be recorded.
Hello? Hello? They just put me in the customer agent and no one was speaking. There's no one speaking. لا كده. ليش كده يا جدة؟ No one was speaking. Huh?
اديني انا ادور لك.
No, I'm looking myself.
طيب اكتب كهرباء جدة مثلا.
كهرباء. لازم نستنى إذا ما يشتغل إلى دحين لازم نستنى ما نحتاج كده. STC يشتغلوا في الكهرباء؟
اشتغل.
Did I call STC?
لا ما له شغل استسئز لا ايش اسمه تلفون. اشوف انا ادور لك هات.
That was the interruption. We have no كهرباء, so we're calling كهرباء company. Then we called for شاهد. بعدين كهرباء, they said they don't work there.
كهرباء.
I'll show you what my grandma's doing. This is your phone. What's the number? Google.
شوف كهرباء. شفت؟
اسمه الرقم. No, you do it. I'm sorry.
بكم في الشركة السعودية للكهرباء. بهدف تحسين تجربتك تم توحيد أرقام التواصل بالشركة السعودية للكهرباء إلى الرقم 933. نسعد ونتشرف باستقبال اتصالك على الرقم 933 وعلى مدار الساعة.
933 يقول.
لا أنا اتصلت من زمان.
اتصلت؟
Yeah. License هذا.
ايش يقول؟
There was no agent. I was like, who's that? Then I just closed the call. Click phone.
بكم في الشركة السعودية للكهرباء. For English press 2.
بريس.
يسر الشركة السعودية للكهرباء أن تهنئكم بحلول شهر رمضان المبارك، سائلين الله أن يتقبل صيامكم وقيامكم. بادر بتوثيق عدادك باسمك من خلال تطبيق الكهرباء، سواء كنت مالكا أو مستأجرا، وذلك عبر خطوات سهلة وميسرة. واستفد من كافة الخدمات المقدمة كإدارة الحسابات ومتابعة الاستهلاك وغيرها من الخدمات الأخرى. للأعطال اختر الرقم 1. للفواتير اختر الرقم. للإبلاغ عن انقطاع كلي في الخدمة الكهربائية اختر الرقم 1. للإبلاغ عن انقطاع جزئي في عزيزي المشترك يرجى إدخال رقم الحساب ثم اختر علامة المربع.
What's your
انا ما عندي رقم الحساب.
لم تقم بإدخال أي رقم. عزيزي المشترك يرجى إدخال رقم الحساب ثم اختر علامة المربع.
You have to click something. You have to put the number.
ايه.
عفوا لم تقم
I
بإدخال
don't know the number.
And how we call.
شوف الجيران ايش قالوا.
That's it guys, we're ending the video. الآن ما عندنا كهرباء. We'll start editing this video. Sorry guys if there's interruption. Currently it's 4:32. We started recording before and the recording ended because of storage. Now we can record every show we want. Until the storage goes back to it, then we cannot make shows خلاص. We did افترنا غير. And now we're done with the studio. قفلنا استوديو. نشتغل في استوديو لما يجي الكهرباء. هنا اليوم نشتغل الساعة 3 مساء أو الساعة 5. اليوم نشتغل الساعة 4 لين 1 الصباح بكرة. Alex been asleep since 12 a.m. Since 11 p.m. and he's now awake. He's currently waiting and then my الكهرباء he goes to Embassy Cruise and plays. They will come here Embassy Cruise later and we're gonna play in the house. They don't go to our house هناك anymore. They go right here. They sleep they work right here. Embassy Cruise is recording his show بعد بكرة عشان رمضان. He's gonna talk about his Ramadan stuff. فبعد that's it guys. شوفكم قريبا في كات فيديو يوتيوب فيديو. هذا ما هي بي uploaded on يوتيوب حقي قناة كات بي uploaded on MBC edits 1 و2 و3 يوميا الساعة 3:30 مساء. غيرنا الوقت إلى 3 و37 عشان غيرنا الوقت good vibes إلى 5 إلى 7. اليوم good vibes only is uploaded الساعة 7 exactly. بعد toys prank show episode 2. Stitch talk show. Stitch the guest. لو التي في ما يشتغل وألكس ماد عشان ما عنده كهرباء فراح نقعد لين بيشتغل الكهرباء. نقعد شوي more. نتعفاس ونرجع. Guys, maybe this is a punishment for my TV إنه بنتفرج أشياء مو كويسة. So Allah is punishing us with the lights. We're trying to turn on one light and شوف إيش يصير. Look.
The recording ended. I don't know what's happening these days without recording. So this will be part 2. After the recording ends, we're gonna add this. That's it guys. I'll see you guys إن شاء الله قريبا في كات لايف. أليكس يوتيوب فيديو يعرض اليوم في الليل. مع السلامة.
بعد صلاة المغرب.
توقيت السعودية على الMBC 1. رمضان يجمعنا.